Hello students, exercise 1.4 question number 1. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answers concerning each graph. Right? So it is very simple question. We have to find out whether these graphs are functions or not. Right? So same way we have one example. Example 1.10. Here we have so many graphs, right? We found out these graphs are functions or not using vertical line test. So we have two types of test, right? One is vertical line test, another one is horizontal line test. Vertical line test is used for find the given graph is the function or not, and horizontal line test is used for find the given function is one-to-one function or not. So what is the procedure here? We have to draw one vertical line, and if the line intersect exactly at one point means it is a function. More than one point means it is not a function. So let's see the problem. First problem. Here we have the four graphs. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. So vertical line test. So how to find whether the graph is a function or not using vertical line test, which means we have to draw a vertical line on the curve. So here this is the curve. We have to draw vertical line. Vertical line means this kind of line, right? 90-degree line. So we have to draw vertical line here. One vertical line. Now if you look at this graph, this vertical line intersects at 2 points. So name it as P and Q. It intersects this curve at 2 points. Therefore it is not a function, right? So it is not a function, right? Okay. So now look at the second graph. So here also we have some graph, we have some curve. So we have to check whether it is a function or not. Same procedure. We have to draw the vertical line in any of this spot. So for example, you can draw here also, you can draw here also. Wherever you want, you can draw. So you draw here also and you draw here also. Some of you have this doubt, right? You can draw anywhere. So if you look at this vertical line, it intersects exactly at one point. So no need to draw two lines, right? One line is enough. So for your reference, I draw two lines here, but one line is enough. So only this line is enough. So if you look at this line exactly intersect this curve at only one point. Therefore it is a function. Some of them draw this side. So if you check here also, this line, this vertical line exactly intersect this curve at only one point. Therefore it is a function, right? Same way, here we have the curve. You can draw here also or you can draw here also. So I draw the line here. So if you look at this line, it will intersect at 3 points P, Q, R. It will intersect at 3 points, point 1, point 2, point 3. Therefore it is not a function. So it is not a function. And the last one, here we have the line. So we have to draw the vertical line here, either here or this side. Wherever you want, you can draw. And if you look at the vertical line, it exactly intersects at only one point, right? Therefore it is a function. So the procedure is very simple. If you want to find whether the graph is a function or not, we have to draw the vertical line. If the vertical line exactly intersect the curve at one point, like this, means it is a function. If it intersect more than one point, means here we have here it intersect in 2 points, here it intersect in 3 points. Therefore it is not a function, right? So that's all about this question. Thank you.